Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix desktop icon is missing. So I'm going to show you two methods to fix the problem. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and here type run and click it to open, and here just type app data and click OK. After that, head over to the view option here, and here make sure that this one is selected, the hidden item is selected. And after doing that, go to the local and scroll down. Scroll down here, you can see icon cache. Just right click it here and select delete. And after doing so, go to the search option again, and here type taskbar, task manager, click it to open and find out the Windows Explorer option. This is the option, and click it, right click it, and here select restart your task, and your problem will be fixed. If this doesn't fix the problem, then go to the icon that is missing. Suppose this is the missing icon here, right click it and go to properties, and here select change icon, and there you can see the different icon, and select the icon and click OK. So in this two method you can easily fix the problem. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.